I saw this Kanban board from a Starbucks. Let's try to create it in Google Sheet. Sheet.new, called Starbucks ordering. One thing we have to do is let's get the actual data in first. We have name and status. Let's delete all those columns. Let's go with Faith and L and Faith. Click drop down menu, and we have 3. Just go in progress. One more. It's going to be ready. Okay, done. And we want that to be the entire column, B2 to B. Let's put received. Make this a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on. Let's put a couple more, like Eric S. Go on to the next page. And we want to create each of these items. Each of these received, in progress, and ready. Give a little bit of space here because we want an icon here, I think. Let's do that. Let's make it nice and pretty. Let's view, show no grid lines. Let's add here and another here. And we're going to just make these all the same size. I'm going to resize these columns to 50 and actually make those 50 to its exact square there. Resize 50. That's a square. We will center everything. An actual plane. In progress. Let's say a gear. Let's do the gear. We want to increase the size. Definitely 20. We want to make sure it looks nice. Quicksand bold looks nice. And a little bit bigger. But let's do these columns all the same size. And now we need equals filter. We want to filter the range of the names by B equals the name of the column. And that's all we need there. We can make sure that the A column is set to not move with a $sign, but that the B1 is going to change, and we just copy paste all the way there. Now, if is blank, B2. So if it is blank, meaning right now it's false, it is not blank. If it is false, let's put this pipe character here. There we go. Put this all the way down. Copy this here. Make sure it's centered. So let's say we have more Eliza B's. There you go. All of them are ready. Let's change it to dark green, and same here. So now it's green. You can give it a bit of a background if we want. And as these move, received to in progress, they'll automatically move over here. And we've just created a Starbucks order status in Google Sheets.